In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from PayPal to Stc Pay step by step. Now first, go to launch a PayPal login, and then I want you to come here and click on transfer money. So we have different options. I want you to come and click on a transfer to your bank, choose a transfer amount, just type it in, and you should choose your speed. So you can choose in minutes or in 1 to 3 days. This one does not have a fee. This one would have a 1.75% fee. So choose whichever one is applicable to you. And then choose where you want to transfer to. So we're going to be transferring it to a bank account first. So if you haven't linked it already, go ahead and click on link a bank account and do that. So choose your bank account, go ahead and click on next. Okay, then just click on a transfer, for example, $10 now, and then you'll see that it's on the way and they're going to be transferring to your bank. So you're going to get an email as well. Then what you do, guys, is you launch up Stc Pay. And from here, what I need you to do, guys, is click on add money. Okay, and they're going to ask you how you want to add the money. So we did a PayPal to our bank transfer. So if you have a debit or credit card linked to that bank account, you can add that as the option to add money, or you can do a bank transfer to Stc Pay. So choose whichever one is applicable to you. And then if you are going to deposit money, so what you do is you select a partner bank for Stc Pay. Okay, make sure you have the receiver name here, the IBAN and bank account number, copy them. Okay, go to your banking app, and I want you to send however much money you want to send to Stc Pay. You send it to this bank account. Okay, send it there, and your money will arrive in Stc Pay. Really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to Find Your Solution.